Hi folks, hope you're well. It's Tim Edey here. I'm absolutely delighted to announce that I'm doing a Irish nationwide tour with Iarla or Lionáird, one of my favourite ever singers for a long time now. I first heard Iarla's work, of course, with the Afro-Celts over in the UK. Oh my goodness, it must be 25 years ago. And it's a voice you never forget. His work, of course, with the great Steve Cooney, who my own musical mentor. It's a huge honour to be joining Iarla, and we're going to be all over the country, starting on the 11th in Dublin, in Whelan's, and then the 12th of March, that is, all in March, Dundalk, the Spirit Store. The 13th we're in Donegal, in the Gweedore, the Social. The 14th we're down in the Rebel County in Cork, in the White Horse in Ballincollig, which is a great venue. I mean, they're all great venues. And the 15th, we're in the Kingdom, in Kerry, in Killorglin. And the 16th, we're down in West Cork, in DeBarra's in Clonakilty. Come and see us. It's going to be a wonderful tour. I just love the man's voice, and he's just a magician. Have a great, have a great day or night, wherever you are. Slán go fáil.
Say,